Alrighty, check it out. It's filled in pretty nicely. Yeah, there it is. Still a few bits that are a little bit sandy, but other than that, I think it's looking pretty good. You probably notice it's been, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks since I top dressed it, but I think I literally haven't been doing anything. I just watering it, and I've given it one mow with a rotary mower just to clean up a heap of the leaf litter from the gum tree up there. But yeah, you'll see, I don't know how well it shows up on camera there, but this little strip down the middle here where the sand is still exposed, I think we've had some pretty hot days, like in the mid 40s, and I think that the ground temperature there gets so high because the sand is exposed that it actually cooks the grass a bit. So that there's looking relatively lush and green, and you'll see there's not much sand exposed. Then over here where the sand is exposed more, it's looking quite dry and crispy. I have flooded that with a little bit of water, but yeah, I think it's just been overcooked a bit. It's still definitely not level, but it's getting there. And today I think I'm gonna bust out the cylinder mower on it and give it a bit of a go. I'll know pretty quick if it's not level enough, and it's just gonna scalp the hell out of it. But I'm pretty excited with where it's coming, and I think from now on I'll be able to just work out, do little areas of top dressing, bust out the old mower, see how she looks. So here's the old beast. It's a Model 45 cylinder mower. It's amazing how much the quality of cut comes up and how nice it looks when you're using one of these. Not to say that that doesn't look pretty good, and I'm actually really happy with that, considering it's just mowed with a rotary mower, just the average Aussie back lawn. 15 months of actually caring for it and trying to look after it, and it's come up. I mean, that's awesome. You know, you can play some backyard cricket on that and muck around. The dogs love it. Well, yeah, we'll see if we can take it to the next level and go from there. Right, now I have no idea what the specific height of cut this is going to be. It doesn't actually matter right now, because all I'm wanting to do is just nip off the tops a little bit and make it look a little bit neater. That'll sort of show me where the bumps are, and I can go from there. But I'm just keen to see how much nicer this is going to look. The lawn is looking a little bit dry, so I reckon I'll give it a mow and give it a bit of a water. Because I don't have the catcher on, it's not picking up any of that leaf litter. So it doesn't look as neat as it could. Might put that catcher on. Alrighty, that's actually done better than I thought it would. You can even see there's some stripes there. I'm not a real big fan of stripes, but yeah, I prefer it all looking one colour. So I normally don't mow stripes, but for today, just to cut it off and just to see what happened. I ended up with some stripes, but yeah, that's alright. Pretty happy with that. You can definitely see the dry areas are standing out now. I have to give it a water. And those beloved dogs. There's a little wee stain from them. So that's just going to be unavoidable, really, if you've got dogs. Actually, one thing I have forgotten to do. Alrighty. I deserve a beer. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Those dry spots are annoying me, but they'll fill in. They might need a little bit of extra water. I think there's still heaps of sand exposed from where it was super deep. But yeah, overall, I reckon that's looking pretty nice. Check that out. Pretty nice. And yeah, even some stripes. The old Scotty has done pretty well. Yeah, stick around. The rest of the season is going to be about getting rid of those dry patches and then just focusing on leveling it. It's got some pretty good coverage already. Those sandy spots will fill in, no dramas. So yeah, get out there, get stuck into it, enjoy it, do some hard work and have a can. Good on you. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Good stuff. What do you reckon, Dusty? You like the lawn, mate? Dusty, good lawn?